Ethan, you saw a snake in the water?
Yeah, yesterday.
Yeah.
We were jumping waves with Sharon and Josh, and then Sharon's like, "Go, snake!" And I saw it was like that. It was thin. It was kind of thin, and it was like that. It was kind of short, and I swam like I was in a race.
Yeah.
Fast to short, and it was black. And I'm glad none of us got hurt a bit. So it was coming towards Sharon. She splashed it, and it came towards me. I went racing for the shore.
It was swimming on top of the water?
Yeah, it does that on the top of the water.
Yeah. Scary, huh?
Yeah.
Yikes. I'm glad you didn't get bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need another drumstick.
What are you gonna do? You're the groupie?
I did it. It's crochet.
Yeah.
Hi. It is so good to see all of you.
You got a nice haircut.
It's growing out
He needs
now.
another one, doesn't he?
Yeah. Hi, Timmy.
Hi, Willow.
Missing each other. I'm not gonna.
Yeah.
I am.
Andrew's happy to have a playmate.
Right.
Aww.
What was happening
Hi. Yeah.
back home? What was happening?
Oh, it's just I was there too long.
So there's a whole bunch of storm warnings here in southeast Colorado, but it's a huge section of Colorado that is affected, and there's a tornado watch and hail and all these things, but it's a huge part of Colorado. And as you can see right now what it looks like here, it's sunny, and yeah, clouds look fine. We did have one kind of darker cloud roll through that dropped like 10 raindrops. Yeah, so, but it made some people here nervous, and they were talking about moving on, going to somewhere with civilization where we could, I don't know, find a basement to get in. I guess I'm a little laxed about stuff like this, but I'm like, sit back and watch the storm go by. And, but look now, it's beautiful, it's sunny, the kids have gotten back in the water, and yeah, I don't know, it doesn't look too threatening to me. Although look over there, I guess it looks a little questionable, but I think we'll be okay. And I'm thinking about actually moving on, not today, it's getting a little too late in the day for me, but it's the heat is actually on the rise here. It's, you know, been in like the low 90s, but I think it's supposed to be in the hundreds, and that's just a deal breaker for me. So I'm gonna try to go back up into the mountains again, not 12,000 feet or anything, but a little bit higher, and we'll see. Some of them might come with me, or not, and yeah. And really, I didn't come to Colorado to sit in the plains, you know, the southeastern plains. It's like you come to Colorado to be in the mountains. I feel like I'm not having a true Colorado experience being here. Looks way more like Texas or Oklahoma or something like that here. But it's, you know, being by the water, camping for free, yeah, I'm not going to complain about that, but I really would rather be sitting next to a mountain stream surrounded by lush forests and stuff. As long as I can handle the altitude, we'll see. So maybe I spoke a little too soon, because over here it's sunny and beautiful, and over here it's a little questionable. Actually, it looks, and I don't know if you're going to be able to tell on camera, but it almost looks like there are tornadoes over there. Like we're all like standing here staring. That right on the horizon, it almost looks like a twister. But I think, I don't think so. I hope not anyways. But check out those colors. The difference between the sky and the land and the water. It's interesting, huh? Kind of pretty.